Want to scale up your freelancing and service business? Then you must give up random manual work and walk in an organized way. Clients are kings. You have to build a strong relationship with your clients that will bring you not only instant business growth, but also sustainable business success. Propovoice is a self-hosted client management solution on WordPress for freelancers, entrepreneurs, and service agencies that helps you run your entire service business on the fly, including everything like manage project, inquiry, selling service packages, sending project estimates, onboarding client with portal, and collaborating with team easy invoicing, handover projects, and getting paid on time. Now let's dive into a bit of detail about Propovoice. Utilizing our service business experience, we have put our highest effort to make Propovoice functionally super pleasing with good user experiences from its beginning, super fast installation, easy business setup, and good to go. You can manage your service business from the front end of Propovoice without the WordPress dashboard. Propovoice dashboard at the beginning helps you understand your business insights. You can see statistics of sales, deals, estimates, and invoices in several graphs and charts at a glance to manage project inquiry. Propovoice has leads and deal management modules. It allows you to classify your leads and nurture them. You can add leads manually and also generate leads with the integrated contact forms on your website and external sites. You can create distinct tags and levels for each lead. Propose allowed to create tasks, see activities, and schedule meetings, creating notes, upload files, or link up from storage. Sending mail to nurture your leads. Better Proposals allows to assign a team to nurturing particular leads among all. The Smart Deal Pipeline of Proposals helps you manage your deal's sales qualified leads professionally. It allows you to customize and add new stages as per your need. You can send estimates and maintain notes and files from the detailed view of a deal with a single click. You can make a deal lost or won and move it into a project. Get a comprehensive view of all your clients at once, and then dive into the details to manage projects, estimates, invoices, and more for each client. Easily invite clients to their portal. Let me provide further insight into the client portal. Clients can access their portal using login credentials where they can find project updates, estimates, invoices, and collaborate with your team. Additionally, they have the flexibility to buy service packages and submit requests based on those packages. In the Projects module, you can efficiently manage all your projects collectively. Within each project, you can access detailed statistics on budget paid amounts, outstanding amounts, and deadlines. Proposals allows you to assign teams to projects. It also enables you to seamlessly create tasks, assign them to the team, and add comments as needed. Additionally, you can upload files and create notes specific to each project. Proposes further facilitates easy communication through messaging and file sharing. Fostering collaboration between your team and clients. Proposes simplifies project budget proposals with customizable templates and detailed estimates. You can include descriptions, pricing units, taxes, fees, discounts, notes and terms, reminders, and add signatures. Send estimates directly to clients via email and easily share, print, or download them. Propose also tracks blind responses, letting you know when they view and accept, and offers automated reminders for delays or forgetfulness. Proposes streamlines invoicing, handling recurring and subscription invoices. It offers automated payment collection via PayPal and Stripe integration, along with support for 100+ payment gateways through WooCommerce checkout. Features: you can sell your productized service with ease. Create both one-time and recurring service packages and set request limits based on what you offer. Effortlessly manage client requests according to the packages they've purchased. Effortlessly onboard your team for seamless client management with 4 distinct roles available: administration, admin, manager, and staff. Integrate a variety of tools with Propovoice to automate your business, including email clients, forms, and automation tools. Proper CRM is a budget-friendly, user-friendly client management solutions on WordPress, perfect for freelancers and small service businesses. Get started with Propovoice today to streamline and grow your business.